Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and today I wanted us to do some crafts. Now, with Mother's Day coming up, I figured that we can use our hands and make them something awesome. So let's go! This craft is super easy and super fun. So, with our hands, there we go. Now, all you're doing is tracing your hand. All right, one down and one to go. You're going to do the same on the other side. All right. I'm thinking you're starting to see where we're going with this. Now we're going to cut it out. I know it doesn't look like much yet, but take this and we're going to shove it through. That's all done. Whoop. Now, how does that look? Now for the absolute finishing touches. A very simple, sweet message. I love you, Mom. I think this is a really cute Mother's Day gift. Let's move on to the next one. For this craft, we're going to use Popsicle Sticks. And what I'm going to do is color. That's what we're going to start off doing. And you can make them all the same color. They can be all different. It's completely up to you and how you want it to be designed. Whatever colors you do pick, make sure they're light. See how dark that is? It's going to be hard to see because we're going to write things on it. So try to make sure that you use a light color. The whole point of this is to write an inspirational, nice message to Mom. So this one, we can start off by saying, what I love about Mom. What I love about Mom. On this one, I'm gonna write, she reads with me. I love when she reads with me. One thing about my mommy, she sure makes me laugh. She's funny. She's very funny. Another thing about her, she's a real good cook. She's a good cook. That's the truth. I especially love when she plays games with me. I'm sure that's everyone's favorite. I don't know if you guys knew this, but moms, they work hard each and every day. She sure works hard every day. All of these popsicle sticks have amazing things on them. But the last one, this one, she loves me. This is the most important one. This is how it looks so far. We're not done yet. We need to attach them all. I decided not to glue it. I taped it. It's actually quite easy that way. Now we're going to tape on our little hook because we want to be able to hang this on the wall or wherever they want to hang it. And there you go. There it is. A really cute, simple, easy, and fun Mother's Day gift you can do. And it really is sweet because every time your mom looks up at it, she's going to just smile because you made it. I didn't even realize how nice those actually look together until now. And I really think if you pair them, it will be a perfect Mother's Day gift. Well, friends, I had an amazing time with you. as always. And I hope you guys keep coming back for more and more fun with me, your friend Kookie. That's Kookie. And that would be me. And don't forget, if you like videos like this, keep liking them and subscribe for more and more fun.